In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect MongoDB with Power BI. By the end, you'll be able to pull your MongoDB data into Power BI Desktop and start analyzing it right away. First, open Power BI Desktop. On the top, you'll see the ribbon. Head to the Home tab. This is where most of your data connection tools live. We're going to use the Get Data button, which is the gateway to all available connectors. Click Get Data, and a window will appear with a search bar and a list of sources. In the search bar, type MongoDB. You should see MongoDB appear as an option. Select it. If you use MongoDB Atlas, you may see a specific connector for that as well. Choose the one that matches your environment. After selecting the connector, click Connect. Power BI will prompt you for connection details. This is where you enter your credentials and connection information. Typically, you'll provide a connection string or server address, the database name, and your authentication method. Use credentials with read access to the collections you plan to report on. If your organization uses SSL or specific authentication mechanisms, make sure those settings match what your database requires. Keep your credentials secure and avoid pasting sensitive information into shared files. Once you confirm your connection details, Power BI will contact MongoDB and open the Navigator window. Here, you'll see your databases and collections listed on the left. Click on a collection to preview the data on the right. This preview helps you confirm you're pulling in the correct information. When you've selected the collections you want, choose Load to bring the data directly into your report. Or, select Transform Data if you want to clean, shape, or expand nested fields first using Power Query. If the MongoDB connector doesn't appear in the Get Data window, make sure you're running a recent version of Power BI Desktop. Updating often adds or improves connectors. Also, confirm that you have network access to your MongoDB environment, especially if it's hosted behind a firewall or requires an allow list. After loading, you can build visuals immediately. If you notice fields with unexpected types, use the Transform Data option to set data types or expand nested documents into columns for easier analysis. For ongoing reports, consider how you'll refresh the data and coordinate with your administrator if you need a gateway for on-premises sources. That's all it takes. Home tab, Get Data, search for MongoDB, select it, enter your credentials, and you're connected. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring your MongoDB data in Power BI.